am Kelsey Hudson, one of the Youth Services Librarians at Middleton Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to use Mango, which is an online resource for learning a new language. To start, you want to be at our homepage, which is midlibrary.org. Then you're going to go to the Resources tab and click on Online Databases. Our databases are listed alphabetically, so we're headed to the M's. And if you'll notice, under Mango it says Middleton Cardholder Access, which means that Middleton does need to be your home library if you are trying to access Mango from home. So if you're having troubles logging in, you can always give us a call and we can double check and make sure that we are your home library. I'm going to go ahead and click on Mango, and then it's going to ask for my library card number. And I'm going to log in. And it'll take you to this screen. You can make an account so that way you can track your progress, or you can just use Mango as a guest. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And you can see it takes me to right into the last course that I was looking at, Spanish for Librarians. If you have an account, this is how it'll look. There's kind of really no homepage. It takes you straight into your courses. If you want to explore different languages, you can click up here in the top left corner and it'll take me to the list of languages. But just real quick, you can see that there's a multitude of lessons for Spanish for Librarians. You can also hit the Explore tab, and there are videos in other languages to help you practice. And then under Tools, there's a translation tool. If we go up here in the top left, we can click and see all of the languages that are available. They are listed. There's popular languages first, but then if you keep scrolling, you can see all sorts of languages, including, which I found quite interesting, you can learn Pirate if you'd like to. If you are looking for more foreign language resources like books, you can always fill out a librarian's choice form. To do that, you would go to our homepage and you can click on this big blue button right here and fill this out. Let us know what you're looking for. We can pull items for you, check them out to your card, and then you can pick them up using curbside pickup.